Morning, my dear children. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today, we are going to learn a new lesson, that is lesson number 13 and walking. Walking is a poem, page number 68. Okay, in the last class, we have seen lesson number 12, the Yogini's wisdom. In that lesson, we learn many things about grammar. Okay, what is the verb? Okay, like we learn many things. Okay, in this lesson we are going to learn a new thing. Okay, new experience about the children's. Okay, yes, dear children, you may see the picture. Okay, so in this picture, one man and two kids are there. Okay, one man and two kids and one dog is there. Okay, so what they are doing? They also walking. So what is the title of the poem? It is walking. Okay, so he according to his height, okay, is a dad for these two kids. Okay, he is a dad for these two kids. Or morning or evening they are walking together. With them one dog also is there. The dog is the pet animal for them. Okay, so he, according to his height, his leg was, okay, his leg is long because he is a big man. He has a long leg. Okay, he can walk easily and he can take his steps and far. Okay, that means he can walk fast. He can walk fast. But look at that kids. Okay, so is their daddy, he is walking fast, but their children, they cannot walk with their dad because he is having long leg, but they are small, they are kids like yours, so you are having short leg, so they cannot walk with the speed of their daddy. Yes, my dear children, you are also have a good experience when you are walking with your dad or mom. You just imagine he is your dad and one is you and another one is maybe your brother or your sister. You just imagine. Okay, so now in this lesson we are going to learn about your dad or your mom with you. You just have a connectivity in this lesson with you. These lines for us. Okay, as the small kids, how they were walking with their parents. Okay, so title name is a walking. So when daddy. So in this picture, he is a daddy and their children for that man. Okay, and they three of them walking in the evening time. When daddy. So when their daddy walks. The lesson, when daddy walks, okay, when he is walking, the both children, they cannot walk as much as the daddy is walking. And second, with Jean and me. So here is a dad, Jean, and here that another girl's name is not given. So she is telling about her father and her sister. Okay, when daddy walks with Jean and me, so when we three of them walking together, we have a lot of fun. Okay, we have a lot of fun. We are have a lot of fun means they are looking here and there and they were talking like a fun way. They are imitating how their daddy walking, otherwise those who are walking on the road, how they are walking. Okay, so they are having a lot of fun and enjoyment while they are walking with their dad. Because we cannot walk as fast because we cannot walk as much as daddy walks, because he has a long leg. He can walk easily. He can take his step so far, but we are having short legs. As you are having short legs, you are the small, no, so you are having short legs, so you cannot walk as much that dad walks. As he, unless we skip and run. So because he has a long because he has a long leg, he can walk fast, but we are short, we cannot walk as much as a dad walks. So once again I read the poem lines. Please listen carefully. Take your book and page number 68, lesson number 13. Just listen. When daddy walks with Jean and me, we have a lot of fun, because we cannot walk as fast as he unless we skip and run. So we cannot walk as much as dad walks, so we skip, run, and we reach the dad. So we cannot walk as much as dad walks, so we are running with him. So the next, I stretch and stretch my legs so far. Okay, so I cannot walk as much dad walks, so I stretch. So they are jump. Okay, they both were jumping and reach the dad. So like that they were walking. Stretch means jump. They have to reach their father, no? So they are jumping, and they are also want to walk as their father walks. So they are stretch and jumping. My legs so far. They both the kids also try to keep as much as dad keeps the leg. You may see here his leg is so far long, no? So he can keep easily footpath so far. But they are small, they cannot keep as much dad keeps. So they are jumping and running to reach their father footpath. I nearly slip and fall. So while they are jumping and walking, that time they are supposed to fall on the floor. But how does daddy take such a steps? But how it is possible daddy takes such a so far the such a steps? How it is possible to him? We are jumping and walking to reach him, but he is not like that. He is walking very casual. How it is possible to him? Why? He also walk fast, but he cannot sleep and falling down. How it is possible? He does not stretch at all. So while he is walking, he walks so fast, but he cannot fall down. He cannot have any problem to walk. How it is possible? So once again, we can read the poem. Okay? When daddy walks with Jean and me, we have a lot of fun, because we cannot walk as fast as he unless we. Okay? So these lines, they were talking about their daddy. Okay? So while they are walking that time, how the daddy walks. Okay? The small kids, they cannot walk as their father. Okay? And then while walking with their daddy, they have a lot of fun. Okay? They are enjoy and they are walking with their dad. Because we cannot walk as fast. because they are both kids, they cannot walk as fast how their father walking. So they're having lots of fun. They're imitating others, those who are walking on the road, and they're having lots of communication about others, about their small kids. Okay, and they're enjoying and walking with their dads. And as he unless we, so they cannot walk as their father walks. And then next lines, I stretch and stretch. Okay, so he is walking so fast now. Who? The father. So they cannot walk as much as the father walks. So they are jumping, and they are walking because their father has a long leg. He is a big man, no? So he has a long leg, so he can go fast and he can take his leg too far. But they are small, they cannot walk like that. So they have to go with their father, no? So they cannot keep their legs like their father. So they what to do there? So they are doing stretch. Stretch means they are jumping. Otherwise they are walking to reach their father. And next, another thing is, the small kids are taught that. So while I am jumping and walking or running, I supposed to falling on the floor. Okay? So but more than us, our father walks so fast and he keep his legs so far. But he cannot feel like that. He cannot stretch. He cannot falling down. How it is possible? Okay? He does not. He is having such a long leg. He is going such a far. He can keep his leg. But a single time also he did not feel to stretch, or he did not falling down. How it is possible? Okay, so never my father did not stretch and did not falling down. How it is possible? So yes, my dear children, we also are walking with our fathers or mother. While you are walking with your father or mother, we cannot go fast as much they are walking. So what we are doing, we try to reach them. For that, we cannot have a long leg to go with them, but we can go jumping or running to reach them. So like us, the both kids also doing. I hope you understand the lesson and learn well for your half yearly exam. Thank you and have a nice day.